Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Mohamed Ramadan, math teacher. Today we will study Cartesian product for middle 3 Algebra Unit 1 Lesson 1. At first, let's talk about an ordering pairs. The ordering pair A and B is called the ordering pairs. A is called the first projection, B is called the second projection. And note that A and B not equal B and A. So the ordering pair 5 and 7 not equal ordering pair 7 and 5. And the ordering pair A and B not equal the set A and B. So the ordering pair 2 and 3 not equal the set of 2 and 3. The quality of two ordering pairs. The two ordering pairs are equal if the first projection and first ordering pair equals the first projection in the second ordering pair. And the second projection and first ordering pair equal the second projection in the second ordering pair. So first equal first and the second equal second. If we have ordering pair A and B equal ordering pair 8 and 9, so first equal first and the second equal second. So A equals 8 and B equals, let's see another one. If we have ordering pair x squared and y minus 3 equals ordering pair 49 and 9, ordering pair equal ordering pair, so first equal first and the second equal second. So x squared equals 49 and y minus 3 equals 9. Now we have two equations. Let's go to the first equation. X squared equal 49 by take square root x equal positive or negative 7. Yeah, and the second equation y minus 3 equals 9 by take negative 3 to another side, y equals 9 plus 3, so the y equals 12. Let's see another one. If we have ordering pair 9 and B equals ordering pair 5a minus 1 and 4a, or the order pair equal ordering pair, so first equal first and the second equals second. So 5a minus 1 equals 9 and b equals 4a. In the first equation, 5a minus 1 equals 9, take negative 1 to another side. So 5a equals 10. By divided by 5, a equals 2. By substitution in the another equation, b equals 4a, so b equals 4 times 2, so b equals a. Now, let's go to the Cartesian product. And what is the difference between Cartesian product and normal product? Normal product is constant times constant, like 4 times 5 equals 20, 8 times 9 equals 72. But Cartesian product is set product set. Set the product set? Yeah, set the product set. How can do it? Let's see this. If we have x equals the set of numbers 1 and 2, y equals the set of numbers 5, 7, and 8. Find x product y. X product y, x equals the set of number 1 and 2, product y equals the set of number 5, 7, and 8. Take first element of first set and distribute to the all elements in the second set. So x product y equals the set of ordering pair 1 and 5, ordering pair 1 and 7, ordering pair 1 and 8. We have finished from 1, so go to 2. 2 and 5, ordering pair 2 and 7, ordering pair 2 and 8. Let's see another one. If we have x equals a set of numbers 3, 4, and 5, y equals a set of number 5 and 6, z equals a set of number 1 and 4, find required number 1, y product x, and represent it by an arrow diagram. Required number 2, x product z, and represent it by a Cartesian diagram. Let's go to the required number 1, y product x. Y equals a set of number 5 and 6, product x. X equals 3 and 4 and 5, so y product x equal the set of number 5 and 3, 5 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 3, 6 and 4, 6 and 5. Now represent it by arrows diagram. So draw arrows from y to x. So from 5 to 3, from 5 to 4, from 5 to 5, from 6 to 3, from 6 to 4, from 6 to 5. Now require the number 2x product z and represent it by an Cartesian diagram. X product z, x equals the set of numbers 3, 4 and 5. Product z, set equal set of number 1 and 4. So x product z equals the set of ordinary pair 3 and 1, 3 and 4, ordinary pair 4 and 1, ordinary pair 4 and 4, ordinary pair 4, 5 and 1, ordinary pair 5 and 4, and represent it by Cartesian diagram. The first set in Cartesian diagram represent on the horizontal line, and the second set represent on the vertical line. So, and draw the points 3 and 1, 3 and 4, ordinary pair 4 and 1, ordinary pair 4 and 4, ordinary pair 4, 5 and 1, ordinary pair 5 and 4. Now I am finished, so goodbye.